Alright, what's up guys, Mark Augustine here, and in this video we're going to talk about why is software a key to dropshipping success. Whether you're dropshipping on Facebook, Amazon, Walmart or eBay, why is software necessary for your success in dropshipping? So like the video, subscribe to the channel. I know you're like, yeah Mark, you're just trying to sell. So I'm not trying to sell you anything. I'm trying to give you the logic, and there's a lot of misinformation about not using software and manual dropshipping and like that. So let's get into it. So this video, I started to think about it after I did that interview with Taylor. And I've done a similar video in the past. So Taylor's a gentleman from the UK. I'll put a link to that video in the description, where we talked about him doing Facebook Marketplace dropshipping in the UK. He made £1,000 profit. And he does not use software. And I asked him, I was like, why are you not using software? And he said it wasn't necessary. He has a VA, they're uploading 10 items a day, something like that. And that's specifically for Facebook Marketplace. Now, I know some people might be like, yeah, but software is extra money and they don't know it's going to work and all that stuff. So let's first talk about Facebook Marketplace dropshipping. And then I'll get into Amazon and Walmart. And I go into the whole software thing and the options you have. So if you look at the process of listing items and first finding items to sell on Facebook and then listing them, you need to find items on Amazon, on Walmart, on eBay, Home Depot, Vitacost, all these different places, and then list them on Facebook. When you are listing them, you are downloading all the images, you're copying and pasting the description, you're calculating your profits, you're putting in the price, you're setting your shipping, and then you hit and submit, and then it lists. Now that process, when doing it manually, of just listing, forget the research, forget finding items to sell. When actually listing an item, it could take you 5 or 10 minutes. And you might be like, but Mark, 10 minutes is not a long time, 5 minutes is not a long time. It is a long time when you can just click a button and the whole thing is filled using FBM Fox. Or there's this cut and paste pieces. It just saves time. So, and when you hire someone to do the work, or when you are doing the work, let's say you are doing the work, wherever you're living, let's say you live in the US and you want to list items. And in an hour, you could only list, if you choose randomly, you can list 10 bullshit items. If you do the research manually, you might only list 3 items in an hour. I used to do a lot of manual dropshipping. I know what it takes. I scaled my eBay account to $5,000 a month profit without software. So, this software saves time and is accurate, and it does not make the same mistakes a human makes. And dropshipping and making money with dropshipping is all about using your time, the 24, the 3 hours, let's say you're doing 3 hours a day. The 3 hours you have in a day to dropship the most effectively as possible. So just on listing items and research, I would never suggest to do it manually. Now a lot of VAs who have a lot of experience were like, yeah, they can just throw up items, they're like product hunters, that's what they call it now. But a lot of the times, their experience comes from running other accounts and just listing the same items they had before on other platforms. Whether you used to sell on eBay, throw it on Facebook, or whether you used to sell on a Facebook account, just throw it up there. But software saves you tons and tons of time. Now the bigger part, or it may not be bigger, another integral part of how software plays a role in this dropshipping model is keeping the proper prices or out of stocks. When items go up or down in price, or when it goes in and out of stock, OA Genius, FBM Fox, DSM Tools, those are just 3 different pieces of software. OA Genius is for Amazon and Walmart, FBM Fox is for Facebook, DSM Tools is for eBay. But they track price changes and alter your prices and out of stocks on that platform. And previously, I used to do it manually. I used to hire people to check prices 3 times a day and change the price. People do that on Amazon because they think you can't use the API and all this madness. Humans are just not as reliable. That's just the bottom line. Now, yes, virtual assistants, employees play an integral part in properly running these stores. But you are not going to be successful at scale in 2022 manually drop shipping on any platform. You're going to want software. So if you don't believe me, let me know in the comment section. Taylor, I challenge you, get a piece of software, look at the difference between before you had software and after. Get that piece of software, get a PM Fox, some piece of software to speed up that process, to have your VA's time be more effectively used to produce more profits, and you'll see the difference. Anyway guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel, in the comment section, let me know what you think. If you don't agree with me, tell me that shit too. Check in the description for links to my social media, to Instagram, Facebook group, Telegram group. Have a good one guys. Peace.